morning. Now let's continue Toposhi. Next topic we'll start is contour line. The contour line is actually the imaginary line which drawn with the help of with the reference of the sea level, and it is the exact height of that place. It is drawn with the sea level, so it explains the exact height of that place. This contour line is always made as circular. It is always made as circular. Now what does it mean? What does it mean? It means between, see, its value is also written. This contour line having 280, after 260, 240, 220 and so on. They having a difference of a 20 meters. All the contour line having a difference of a 20 meter. It means it is known as a contour interval. 20 meter is contour interval. Now what does it mean? It means the height of this region is somewhere between 260 to 240. The distance between two places is 260 to 240. The height of that place is exactly with the help of two. This contour line represents that 260, maybe 260 or 240. That is only the contour height. You also see somewhere the contour line was very close and somewhere the contour line is very apart. The apart contour lines indicates the plain area, while close contour line represents a mountainous region. They always are circular in the motion. See the two lines, but it does not mean this line was not a circular. It was a circular. This line is also circular. But what happened? We have taken the topo sheet of this region only. So this line is not a circular. This 240 contour line is not a circular, but it was making somewhere circle here. 220 is also making somewhere circle over there, but we have in our portion that is only part, so the contour line is not making a circular over here. Now this circular lines tells us about the height of that place. When we see this topo sheet, it means this place having the maximum height of 280, and when we are moving to the northwest direction, the height is 220. It means the slowly this region is raised line and gradually the height is decreasing when we are moving towards the northwest direction. The contour line also indicates the mountain or the plain area. If you see, if I am making one mountain, and if we make a mountain, the contour line of this mountain, it means we have studied this in the 7th class. This slope of a mountain, see, having a very steep slope, this place having very steep slope, while this region having a very gentle slope. So the steep slope having the contour line very close and the gentle slope having the contour line very apart. So the closer contour line indicates a very steep slope and apart contour line indicates a gentle slope. This region, this place is having a mountain and this mountain having the height of 300. After 280, the next contour line will be of 300. The mountain having the 300 meters, and as we moving towards the northwest direction, the region merge into a plain area. The region merges into a plain area. Now this region, the another contour line it will make, it will be somewhere from here. So it was indicating a very plain area. Apart contour line indicates a plain area, while close contour line indicates a mountainous region. For the mountain, always the contour line will be of a circular region, and in the between the height will be written 400 and so on. It means the mountain having the height of a 400. So this is a contour line. It is always drawn with the interval of a 20 meter. It is always circular in the shape. The contour line always also not interact each other. They will not interact each other. It means this place having the two value. So it will be not any place. Sometimes the contour line may be meet at the place we are having a steep slope, the place having the one side, we are having the steep slope. There the contour lines will be meeting, but it was not It was not intersect each other. They can meet at a one place, but they will not intersect each other, because when they intersect each other, it means that particular place having a height of 2 height will be there, so they does not intersect each other. They drawn at the interval. The circular contour line indicates a mountainous season, while the closed contour line also indicates a very steep slope, and apart contour line will indicate a gentle slope. In the topo sheet, if you see in your book, topo sheet was given, if you see, the yellow color, mainly the yellow color, as I told you, is agriculture reason. In the agriculture is always done in the plain area. So in the yellow color, you will see a very less contour line. It is always indicated with the brown circular line. The brown line will be very less in the yellow color, while in the green color, wherever the green color is there, the contour line will be there, and the contour line will be very closer to each other. It means that region is a mountainous region, while the yellow color indicates a plain area. This contour line also help us to find the slope of a land. Like in this, I told you, the slope is towards the northeast. Now, when the river flow in this season, when the river will flow in this season, it will always flow in this direction. It means the slope of a land is towards the north, and this direction is towards the west. So this also indicate about the direction of a river in which the river is flowing. So this is how the topography, with the help of a topo sheet, we will come to know about the topography. The region is mountain, the region is plain, the region is plateau. Also we see the slope of a land, in which direction the slope is moving, the topo sheet having which direction it having a slope. It also indicates the mountainous season and the plain area. So the contour line tells about all this indication, all these things. Generally it having the 20 meters of interval. The question comes of the contour line is that only, which part of the topo sheet is a mountainous region. With the help of closed contour line, we can say that. Sometimes the question also comes to tell about the contour interval. What is contour interval? That is always a 20 meter. It also help, the contour line is also help to finding the slope of a land. With the help of contour line, we also see the slope of a contour line, in which it was having a slope. So all these thing features we will see with the help of contour line. Just keep it in the mind, you just check it in your book. It was given with the brown circular line. This brown line indicates the contour